In this quick video, we want to demonstrate three great little formatting tools from Macabacus. If we go up to the Macabacus section of the ribbon, under Format, we can see right here that we have the ability to access a list cycle, also leader dots, and finally wrap text. These three little tools are going to save us a ton of time with formatting. Let's dive in. First one that we'd like to demonstrate is the list cycle. Let's head down here where we have these four products. If we select these cells and then hit the list cycle, which is Control-Alt-Shift-L, as we hit those keystrokes, we're able to cycle through all the different available options. As you can see, the first two are essentially like bullets, and then we get into different numbered lists. So convenient and also so fast. The next thing we'd like to demonstrate are leader dots. If we pop over and select these cells, we can hit the keyboard shortcut for leader dots, Alt-Shift-L. And when we hit that shortcut, they go on. Hitting it again toggles them off. It's really fast to just turn them on and off super quickly. Most people don't really use leader dots in Excel. That's because it's really hard to access the settings for them. But Macabacus makes it really easy, and these shortcuts are so intuitive. Over here, we have Control-Alt-Shift-L, L for list. Here we have Alt-Shift-L, L for leader dots. Really easy to remember. Macabacus also has a great little shortcut for turning wrap text on or off. Let's take a quick look. If we go over and highlight these cells, we can toggle between wrapped or unwrapped text really quickly with Control-Shift-W. Let's give that a try. Control-Shift-W. Control-Shift-W again brings it back really fast. This is something which can be quite frustrating in a native copy of Excel. If we were to highlight these cells and we wanted to adjust whether they were wrapped or not, we'd now need to hit Control-1. When we get into the Format Cells dialog box, we now need to toggle down to where it says Wrap Text, then hit the space bar to toggle it on, and then hit Enter. If we wanted to adjust that setting back to where it was, we'd have to go all the way back through those keystrokes in a native copy of Excel. I think it's fair to say that people like the ability to toggle wrapping on or off, but just need a better way to access it. That's what Macabacus does for us. If you're enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you soon in the next video.